Yo, angmohcardealer over here, and this right here is Mercedes-Benz AMG A45, and with more than 350 horsepower, this car right here is the real pocket rocket. Let's check it out. Have a look at this beauty. Yes guys, this is a proper AMG, proper fast car. Looks super aggressive from the front with this factory fitted AMG bumper, the car nuts, and with a front splitter by Flow Design. We also have a side skirt by Flow Design and a rear diffuser as well that I will show you later. Design of this car is very beautiful. This is a very sporty hatchback, all-wheel drive. We have very nice AMG rims with a big brake kit. And behind as well, a big brake kit. Comes with a very nice GT spoiler as well. And behind, just look at this splitter. Super sexy, super aggressive, yes. A45, proper sport car. Now let's have a look on the inside. Behind we have these super beautiful AMG seats that are Alcantara with leather, beautiful pattern, and even red color seat belts. Also this car comes with a rear passenger aircon and very beautiful panoramic roof. And these AMG seats I will show you from the front, but from behind they just look so beautiful. And also because they're much thinner, there is actually more room for your rear passenger compared to a normal A-Class. And now let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Very sporty cabin. Of course, let's start here. We have dry carbon fiber dashboard, very cool. I really like this. The steering wheel had been upgraded to the newer model. It's a flat bottom, also with dry carbon. Very nice, very sexy with the red line over here. Of course, got pedal shifters, multifunctional. Infotainment can be upgraded to the newer version, Android player with Apple CarPlay and all that. These are your aircon controls, very simple. And have a look at this. I know you guys are very used to having gear selector on a steering wheel column. However, this is how you can tell this is a real AMG. The gear selector is right here. And of course, have a look at these beautiful semi-bucket seats. It is simply a work of art. So beautiful. And honestly, they are very comfortable. Of course, both seats are fully electric with memory settings as well. And the panoramic roof is super beautiful. Guys, have another look. Alright guys, of course in terms of look, this car is absolutely fire outside and inside. But what really matters is the performance, because this thing is fast and the condition is really good. On COE we still have 8 years and 5 months left. A lot of time for you to enjoy. In terms of depreciation, one of the lowest units on the market, with good mileage, low owner count. Basically, you're looking for A45, you have to check out this unit. You'll know what to do. Call me and I'll give you a good deal.